why do I always start videos with noises? Why am I like this? I thought to do something new, something different. Something different. What's on your mind? I feel like having, a heart-to-heart talk with you guys. Maybe I don't know what I have in mind, but I just want you guys to be happy. Prepclass wants you guys to be happy. That's one of the things I have in mind, by the way. So don't worry, let's just get on with this, and when we're done, I will tell you guys about what I have in mind. It's juicy, trust me. You'll love it. You'll love to hear it. Okay, so no more antonyms. Wow, and I was looking forward to discovering new words and their opposites. No more antonym. Okay, let's do it. So it says, the new instruction says, in each of the following questions, underline the word that does not belong to the same group. So we have A, Nigeria, B, Iraq, C, India, D, USA, and E, Cairo, which does not belong to the group. Now, do you know that Cairo is the capital? Yes, it's a capital of the country, Egypt. So while Nigeria, Iraq, USA, and what was the other word again? What was the other country? I can't remember it. What was it? Yeah. And India, while these four are countries, Cairo is a capital. Okay, so it's the nation capital of the country Egypt, just as Abuja is the capital of Nigeria. Cairo is the capital of Egypt, so it is the odd one out. While the rest of countries, Cairo is a capital, so it is the odd one out. So we choose it, Cairo. Our answer is E, option E, that is Cairo. Our 17th question. School, teacher, principal, doctor, and pupil. So which is odd one out? Which is the odd one out? I'm finding this interesting. So the rest are related to teaching and learning, except doctor. So when we talk about the teaching and learning environment, of course, we think of school, we think of teacher, we think of the principal, and we think of the pupil. So these make up a learning environment, a teaching and learning environment, except doctor. Doctor is concerned with taking care of patients in the hospital, remember? So doctor is the odd one out, and that's option D, doctor. Our 18th question. Okay, let's pick the odd one out. Pen, red, green, pink, and black. Which is the odd one out? Let's see. So while the rest are colors, red, black, pink, they're all colors except pen. What is pen? Of course, we all know what pen is, right? It is a writing tool. It's a tool used for writing. We use it to write on paper. So pen is the odd one out. And we have our answer A, option A, pen, as the odd one out. Our 19th question. Orange, guava, apple, pear, and cassava. Which is the odd one out? The options are all names of fruits. We all know the pear, right? We all know the guava, we all know the orange. We all know which other one? Here, we all know the apple. So these are all fruits except cassava. Cassava is a food plant, okay? It is a food plant grown for eating. No, not just for eating. We eat fruits, of course. Grown as a food, not as a fruit, okay? Which means it can actually be fermented, used to swallow soup, used to eat soup, or gari is also made from cassava anyway. Cassava is usually further processed into gari, okay? Another kind of swallowable food. Okay, so that is for number 19, option E, cassava. That is the food plant, the odd one out. And the 20th question, goat. I feel odd when I say 20th question, when I call a number a question, and I actually expect to see a question, only to see just the options. I feel odd. Okay, it's all good. We just have to pick the odd one out. It's okay. So number 20th question. We have option A, goat, B, boat, C, ship, D, lamb, E, cow, which is the odd one out. So the options are all names of animals. We all know the goat, the ship, the cow. They're all names of animals, except boat. Boat is not an animal, right? Boat is what? It's a means of traveling by water. We use it to travel by water. Okay, by water. So that's boat. That is the odd one out. And with that, we have come to the end of this short but soothing video. Imagine when you just have to learn in a matter of seconds. Okay, not seconds, minutes, I guess. So when you have to learn in a matter of minutes, without stress, without it feeling overbearing, isn't Prepclass great? Of course it is. Why, I know you guys, I know what's going through your mind right now. Why does she speak so much of Prepclass? Why does she always say Prepclass is great? Well, I'm saying it's great because it's great. And don't worry, if you subscribe, you yourself will find out just how great Prepclass actually is. You find out yourself and you'll drop it in the comment. You'll drop it in the comment box. Drop it and I'll read it. And you will testify that Prepclass is actually great. It could be one of, in fact, I think it's actually one of the best things that's ever happened to our educational sector. That's what I think. And you will testify too. So, take care. I look forward to seeing you in my successive videos. Did I say mine? No, not mine. In our successive videos. I want us to learn together. Please don't let me learn alone. I don't want to learn alone. I like learning together. So please, join me in my next video. In our next video, I whispered that. Stay strong, don't forget that. And safe.